Qubo Smart Tyre Inflator for cars and bikes. First up, we have the Qubo Smart Tyre Inflator. This compact device is perfect for every driver. It's designed to fully inflate 2 car tires or top up 8 tires on a single charge. Simply set your desired pressure and let the Qubo do the work for you. It automatically stops when the set pressure is reached, ensuring precise inflation every time. Recharging the inflator is a breeze with the Type-C port, making it convenient to keep it ready for use. This smart inflator is a handy gadget for road trips, emergencies, or regular maintenance, ensuring your tires are always at optimal pressure. HOTO flashlight. Like the HOTO flashlight, Lite is a compact yet powerful flashlight that's become a favorite among gadget enthusiasts. Its elegant aluminum build not only looks great, but also ensures durability. The flashlight offers excellent battery life and features a USB-C connector for quick recharging. What sets it apart is the bundled light diffuser, which transforms the high-powered flashlight into a versatile lamp, perfect for camping or roadside emergencies. The intuitive button controls include an SOS mode for emergencies, and the integrated hook allows for hands-free use. Whether you're on the road or in the wilderness, the HOTO Flashlight Lite is a reliable companion. Anker MagGo Qi 2 Power Bank. The Anker MagGo Qi 2 Power Bank is an essential accessory for the latest iPhones. Supporting the Qi 2 wireless charging standard, it ensures faster and more efficient charging. With a 10,000 mAh capacity, it can fully recharge your iPhone and still have power left for other devices. A USB-C port allows for fast wired charging, and the onboard color display helps you monitor the charging process and battery capacity. Its integrated viewing stand is super convenient for hands-free use, making it perfect for travel and daily use. Auxiwa Clip-On Selfie Ring Light. Take your selfies to the next level with the Auxiwa Clip-On Selfie Ring Light. This compact portable light easily clips onto your phone and provides 3 different settings to enhance your photos. Whether you're capturing photos in low light or want to add a touch of drama to your selfies, this ring light has you covered. Its easy to use design means you can carry it anywhere, ensuring your photos always look great. At just $11 on Amazon, this selfie ring light is an affordable addition to your photography gear. Elevate your selfie game with the Auxiwa Clip-On Selfie Ring Light. CINCOM Cordless Hand Massager with Heat. Anyone who spends their day typing or using their hands will love the CINCOM Cordless Hand Massager. This heated massager is cordless and portable, making it perfect for relieving hand cramps and stress, whether you're at the office or on the go. Its compact design allows you to carry it in your bag, providing instant relief whenever needed. The combination of heat and massage helps relax your muscles, improve circulation, and alleviate pain. It's a great tool for maintaining hand comfort and health throughout the day. Logitech Casa Pop-Up Desk for remote workers and on-the-go professionals. The Logitech Casa Pop-Up Desk is a game changer. This innovative accessory transforms into a complete workstation, featuring a laptop stand that lifts your laptop to eye level, a wireless keyboard, and a touchpad. When not in use, the Casa Pop-Up Desk folds down to the size of a large notepad, making it incredibly portable. It's perfect for creating a comfortable and ergonomic workspace anywhere, whether you're at home, in a coffee shop, or traveling. Pelican MagSafe wallet and card holder. For iPhone users, the Pelican MagSafe wallet and card holder is the most rugged and dependable option for carrying your essential cards. Its strong snap-on magnets ensure it stays attached even if you drop your phone. The case is also IPX4 water resistant and features a sturdy closure, providing extra protection for your cards. If you need a reliable and durable MagSafe wallet, this is it. KLIM Laptop Cooling Pad with LED rim. Prevent your laptop from overheating with the KLIM Laptop Cooling Pad. Its powerful 200mm fan rotates at 750 RPM, keeping your device cool even during intense use. Compatible with laptops up to 17 inches, it offers 4 incline angles for comfort and a customizable LED lit rim with 5 effects and 7 colors. It's a must-have for gamers, heavy laptop users, and anyone who wants to keep their device running smoothly. Xeric Scrambler. Make a statement with the Xeric Scrambler watch. This limited edition timepiece features a striking wandering hour design, vintage-inspired aesthetic, and precision engineering, making it a must-have accessory for any watch enthusiast. The unique three-armed wandering hour mechanism is not only visually captivating, but also easy to read. As the hours pass, the next hour comes into view, guided by a Geneva gear mechanism that ensures smooth transitions. The Scrambler's design is inspired by vintage 1970s watch cases, combining modern manufacturing techniques with classic style. Powered by a proprietary automatic movement, the watch never requires batteries and is powered by the motion of your wrist. Priced at $679, it's a timeless investment for any discerning collector. Stand out with a timepiece that's as unique as you are. Beast Blender Plus Hydration System. Health and fitness enthusiasts will love the Beast Blender Plus Hydration System. This sleek blender whips up the yummiest smoothies and shakes, making healthy living a breeze. The blender features a unique blending system that ensures a smooth consistency for your drinks. Whether you're making a post-workout shake or a refreshing smoothie, the Beast Blender delivers exceptional results. It even comes with a matching infuser water bottle to help you stay hydrated throughout the day. Available in white, black, and gray, this stylish set is perfect for your daily health and wellness routine. You can get it for just $195 on Amazon. Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox. Hot lunches just got better with the Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox. Whether you're heating up queso or pho, this device keeps your food warm for at least 3 hours. It's spill-free, dishwasher-safe, and perfect for enjoying a hot meal anytime you get hungry. It's a great addition to your lunch routine, providing convenience and deliciousness. Nextboom temperature-controlled Nextmug. If you drink your coffee at a glacial pace, the Nextboom temperature-controlled Nextmug is for you. This self-heating mug and saucer ensure your coffee stays at the perfect temperature. Enjoy your coffee at your own pace without worrying about it getting cold. It's a game changer for your morning routine, making every sip enjoyable. Vestaboard message board. Next, we have the Vestaboard message board. This sleek and minimalistic device is a modern twist on the traditional message board. Featuring 132 customizable split flap character slots, it can display anything from weather updates and live scores to personal messages. Measuring 42 inches diagonally, the Vestaboard is perfect for large homes or open workspaces. You can control it via a mobile or web app, making it easy to update messages from anywhere. If you want a high-tech yet stylish way to display information, the Vestaboard is a must-have. OXO Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner. I've been using this tiny laptop accessory by OXO for over a year, and it's a game changer. The OXO Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner packs a microfiber pad and a retractable soft brush. The microfiber pad is perfect for removing smudges from screens, while the brush makes cleaning your keyboard a breeze. It's an affordable gadget that keeps your devices spotless and functioning at their best. T3 SinglePass StyleMax Flat Iron. This is no ordinary flat iron. The T3 SinglePass StyleMax automatically customizes the heat setting to your hair texture and thickness with 9 different settings. It's a smart tool that makes hair straightening efficient and safe, even in the most humid conditions. With its advanced technology, you can achieve sleek, smooth hair with minimal effort. LensCase. If you're passionate about iPhone photography, the LensCase is a must-have accessory. With its macro, telephoto, CPL filter, and fisheye lenses, you can take your photography to the next level. Whether you're capturing intricate details or breathtaking landscapes, the LensCase ensures crystal clear images every time. The 10x macro lens brings the tiniest details into sharp focus, while the telephoto lens lets you zoom in on distant subjects without losing clarity. The CPL filter reduces glare for those perfect outdoor shots, and the fisheye lens gives you a unique, creative perspective. And priced at just $39, it's a steal for any photography enthusiast. With LensCase, you can transform your iPhone into a versatile camera, capturing moments like never before.